Alright, now what is Docker Compose? Okay, Docker Compose or Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. Okay, now again I'm reading from the official documentation, which is the source of Docker, the most trusted source I can read from. So with Compose you use the YAML format or YAML language, and YAML stands for yet another markup language. Now don't worry about this, we will learn it in this course actually, and you will see it is very simple and easy to read and write as well. And you can use the YAML file to configure your application service. Then with a single command, you create and start all the services from your configuration. So you write your configuration using this YAML file, and not just your image or your container. No, you run all of your service, which means the volume, the networking, the publishing the port, running a specific ports, or running a specific containers, whatever. Okay, with just a simple clicks, you make all your containers up and running. Okay, and this is something very powerful actually. And here, if you scroll down, you can see we have this simple example. So you can see that the first thing you need to define your Docker file, so it can be reproduced anywhere. The second thing, you need to write your docker compose.yaml. Then you will run this command docker compose up, and the compose will start and run your entire application. And the docker.compose or docker compose.yaml or .yml will be like this. Now this is just an example. Okay, version, this is the version, the service is web, as you can see, build dot, the port is open this port on this port, the volumes whatever, the links whatever, the links, the radius whatever, the volumes, and so on. Okay, now don't worry, this is just the theory part. We will handle all of that in details, and we will learn how to write that step by step, and really you will have a confidence with yourself. Actually, you can make whatever you want. Okay, of course, by learning more and more, that's for sure. Yeah, so you can see that this is what Docker Compose is. It is something or tool to define and running multi-container Docker applications. All right, so this is what Docker Compose is. So for now, we learned what is Dockerfile, what is Docker Compose, what is the Docker networking drivers, what is the Docker storage types, what are some of the Docker commands, but all of that in theory, I know. What are the Docker images, Docker containers, the difference between them, what is the Docker engine, what is Docker client, Docker server, Docker daemon, Docker process. All of that we learned it in a theoretical lectures. Okay, now in the next lectures we will start on the hands-on labs. Okay, now, well, actually I recommend you to have a break, let's say half an hour, 1 hour, whatever, because we will start the real deal from there. All right, okay, see you in the next lecture.